In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TikTok Business Center. This walkthrough will help you get into the dashboard quickly and set the essentials so you're ready to manage your brand and advertising in one place. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official TikTok Business website. On the homepage, you'll see the option to sign up for a new account or connect with an existing TikTok account. Choose the option that fits your situation. If you already use TikTok personally or for your brand, connecting that account is usually the fastest path. Next, TikTok will verify your identity to confirm it's really you. You'll be asked for the email you want to use, and then a verification code will be sent to that address. Enter the code exactly as it appears. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. And remember that codes often expire after a short time, so use it promptly. After verification, you'll be prompted to enter your business details. Provide your company website, select your industry, pick your region, and enter your company name and phone number. Use accurate official information here. For example, make sure the website is the one your customers actually visit, choose the region where your business operates, and enter a phone number your team can access for future confirmations. When everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll then see on-screen prompts that ask about your advertising objectives. Choose the options that best describe your goals, such as awareness, traffic, or sales. These selections help TikTok personalize recommendations and default settings. You can adjust them later, so pick the closest match to your current priorities and follow the prompts as they appear. Once you're inside Business Center, start setting up your billing information. This is required before you can run ads or promote content. Add a valid payment method and make sure the billing address matches your bank or card records to avoid declines. Double-check currency and region so your charges align with your business location. From there, explore the other features at your own pace. Review your account settings, add or adjust permissions for teammates if needed, and look over any security options available to keep your account protected. Take a moment to scan the dashboard layout, bookmark the Business Center URL for quick access, and familiarize yourself with notifications and help resources. That's it. Open the TikTok Business website, sign up or connect, verify via email code, enter your company details, continue, choose your advertising objectives, set up billing, and explore the tools that support your goals.